Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into one of the most exciting frontiers of space exploration: private space stations. For decades, space stations like Mir and the ISS have been incredible government-led achievements, but the future looks a little different. We're on the cusp of a new era where private companies are stepping up to build their very own orbiting outposts. So who's leading this incredible race, and what can we expect? Let's blast off and find out. First up, let's talk about Axiom Space. These guys are serious contenders, and they're not just planning a space station, they're already building it. Their plan is pretty ingenious. They're starting by attaching commercial modules to the International Space Station, almost like adding new rooms to an existing house. Eventually, these modules will detach and form their own independent, free-flying commercial space station. Axiom is backed by some serious talent and capital, and they've already flown private astronaut missions to the ISS. Their vision includes a state-of-the-art research lab, a manufacturing hub, and even a luxury hotel for space tourists. Imagine waking up to that view. Next on our list, we have the dynamic duo of Sierra Space and Blue Origin, with their ambitious project called Orbital Reef. This isn't just one company, it's a powerful partnership. Blue Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos, brings its extensive aerospace expertise and resources, while Sierra Space contributes its innovative life habitat modules. Those are inflatable modules that can expand significantly once in orbit, offering a massive amount of internal volume. Orbital Reef aims to be a mixed-use business park in space, providing facilities for research, manufacturing, media production, and even space tourism. They envision it as a destination for literally anyone who wants to operate in orbit. Talk about democratizing space, and let's not forget about NanoRacks, Lockheed Martin, and Voyager Space, who are collaborating on a project called Starlab. Starlab is designed to be a continuously crewed commercial space station, focusing heavily on research and development. They're aiming to host microgravity science, advanced materials development, and even plant growth experiments. Their concept features a large inflatable habitat and a robotic arm for external payloads, making it a versatile platform for scientific breakthroughs. These teams are all racing against the clock, with the International Space Station set to retire in the coming years, creating an urgent need for commercial successors. It's truly a thrilling time to be alive, watching these incredible companies push the boundaries of what's possible. Private space stations could unlock entirely new industries, drive scientific discovery, and open up space to more people than ever before. We're moving from government-exclusive ventures to a truly commercial space economy, and that's a huge leap forward for humanity. What do you think about the future of private space stations? Which project are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this cosmic deep dive, please hit that like button, share this video with your fellow space enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.